Hello, welcome to Culture Class Zimbabwe. Today I'll be doing a makeup session. For the first stage, I'll be brushing my eyebrows with this. The next stage, I'll be using a concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix concealer, which is this one, which is in shade NW42. The next stage, I'll be doing my eyeshadow. I'll be using this Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer, which is by MUA, and I'll be using this for the eyelid. I'll also be using this Morphe by Jackie Hill palette. So the next bit I'll be doing my waterline, which is underneath of my eye, and I'll be using bright blue colour. So next I'll be priming my face with this concealer, which is by Revlon. Moving on to foundation, and I'll be using this foundation, which is the MAC Studio foundation, which is by shade NW45, and I'll be mixing that with the NW43. So they stay together. So the next stage, I'll be using this concealer, which is a MAC Studio Fix concealer, and I'll be using this on the bottom of my eyes, my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead. Bermina's powder. The next thing, I'll be highlighting my cheeks, my eyebrows, my nose, using the Glow MUA highlighter. So the next thing I'll be doing is lining up my lips using the MUA lip liner. And next I'll be using this matte lipstick, which is a nude colour. So next I'll be using this cherry lip gloss on top of my lips. Hi, so this is the final look.